Hello, everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we will dive into a fascinating topic, variational autoencoders or VAEs and their application in marketing. Deep learning has truly revolutionized the way we analyze marketing data. Using neural networks enabled tackling challenges like customer segmentation, trend prediction, and sentiment analysis. One such powerful tool is generative models. These neural networks offer additional insights into marketing data and generate new predictive models. These models can help us understand customer behavior, purchasing patterns, or upcoming trends. Now, let's talk about variational autoencoders, a unique generative model. In layman's terms, VAEs consist of an encoder and a decoder. They can encode complex customer behaviors into simpler, more understandable patterns. This is a game changer in marketing data analysis. Unlike autoencoders who learn a hidden representation of marketing data, VAEs go further. They optimize two losses during training: reconstruction loss, which minimizes the difference between input and output, and latent loss, which restricts the values of the latent vector. This approach can significantly reduce the gap between predicted and actual marketing outcomes. VAEs define a region where they learn pools of data, like different customer segments. This region is continuous, meaning VAEs can sample vectors from this region during testing to generate new marketing strategies or predictions. However, there's a trade-off. VAEs can sometimes produce less accurate predictions due to the balance between reconstruction and latent loss. On the other hand, we have generative adversarial networks or GANs. They work differently from VAEs, consisting of a generator and a discriminator that play a minimax game to produce realistic marketing predictions. However, their training could be more stable as they require finding a Nash equilibrium, which can lead to less reliable marketing forecasts. Regardless, GANs often generate high-quality predictions but need a closed-form objective like VAEs. In conclusion, both VAEs and GANs have their strengths and weaknesses. Their choice depends on your marketing task and the desired prediction quality. That's it for today's video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you found this information helpful.